Hey guys, here is a Casablanca Panama 2020 remake. Now, the reason why I was holding off on the 2020 remakes, and I say, a lot of people are saying, why haven't I been doing 2020 remakes? Well, that's because of this quarantine. And, yeah, I might not do the Coastal Breeze. I'll hold off until, like, August or something for the Coastal Breeze. So, I put some white blades on this, and it looks better with the white blades than it does with the walnut. Well, I just like the walnut better. I like the walnut better, but the one thing is it wobbles. I don't know why, but this thing seems to be doing good with these white ones. I like it with the white blades. I like it more than like Handbay Hawkins with white blades. It looks better on this fan. White blades. Oh, I faced the camera towards the fan. This fan was made in May 31st of 2000, and it's the 70th or 11th? 70th. 370th fan made that day. So yeah. And it's the I thought these were from 2003 for some reason. Well, the one that E-Man fan has is from 2003, and it has the newer style tag. So yeah, this is the older style tag. So yeah, here is low. I like the low speed on these things. I like the low speed on all Casablancas. They just look nice. Even a Delta 2, or Spirit of Saturn, or Panama, no matter what it is. Which is why I like the low speed on. It wobbles slightly with these blades, but it wobbles a little bit with these blades, but the other blades wobbles more. That's why I like it better with these blades. Wobble slightly. All I know is one of the blades is a little warped, so I gotta put something heavy to de-warp it. I'm already starting to feel a breeze from it on low. That's why I like the low speed on this fan. It's about low. Here is medium. It does have the XLP 2000 motor. The Saturn has a Emerson K55 motor. And the Concentra has the direct drive. Anyways, that's about medium. Here's high. Spins slightly faster with these blades and moves more air. I couldn't do this with the Concentra because my camera, I haven't filmed in a while. Wow, this thing moves a lot of air. Well, let's do airflow tests. Oh yeah, it's pushing air like a K55. Well, the Concentra could be spinner motor Hunter, I don't know. Someone had a direct drive Casablanca and it was pushing air like a K55. I think it was a Silhouette, the first gen. Not the Silhouette 2, the Silhouette 2s are ugly. I say Ugmo. So have you guys heard of the Casablanca Verrazano ceiling fan? It's a really nice sculptural ceiling fan, just like the Monte Carlo Vios or the Fanimation. The Vios is more saggier blades, but I still like it. And the Fanimation Huxley has the tripod. The Casablanca Verrazano has the 4-pod. It looks like a Fanimation Huxley though, but except it's 4 lines that hold it. Well, the blades, they have a motor. When they detach, they have like ropes that attach to the motor instead of like a flywheel or something like that. And it's a really beautiful fan. Gotta straighten out my camera just a little bit. Will it fall off the stand? No. Well, I'm using the blade irons off of Panama #1 since the blade irons on this one is bent. When I do a video of the coastal breed, I'm not going to do a music version of that. Wow, this fan's taking a long spin down time even with those blades. That must be a heavy motor in there. XLP 2000s have smooth bearings. Well, bearings are a little noisy in my Saturn, but they still spin freely. Okay. Now time for reverse. Low. Circle in the sand, round and round. That could be a song for a ceiling fan, A Circle in the Sand by Belinda Carlisle. Because they go round and round. Anyways, that's about low. Here's medium. Bearings are slightly noisy, but not too bad. Whoa. What's that? One of the wires might come out. Well, it wobbles less with in reverse than it does the high gloss blades. That's why I never show that thing in reverse. That's why I might never show it in reverse if I had the glossy blades on high. That's about high. Anyways, that's about it. That is my 50-inch Casablanca Panama #2 of 2, shown with the white blades, because I just feel like it. Thanks for watching.